Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike. I wanted to teach you one of my other tricks today, so I have a yo-yo in my hand to show you the trick with. The trick is called Wave Machine. I just kind of made that up on the spot a few minutes ago, and it looks like this. As you can see, Wave Machine is a repeater trick. It has a very nice little metronome-like feel to it, and a pretty good rhythm to it as well. As far as getting into the trick goes, you throw a breakaway, you let the yo-yo come up and over the index finger of your free hand like you were going to do a trapeze, and then you let it go up and over the index finger of your throw hand like you were about to do a 1.5 mount. Once it makes it over the index finger of your throw hand, you're going to curl your throw and index finger around the string, and you're going to let the yo-yo continue to swing as you bring your throw hand over the top of your free hand, and you bring your free hand up to about the elbow of your throw hand arm. From there, you're going to allow the yo-yo to swing up and over the index finger of your throw hand, and you're going to let it land on the string that's wrapped around the index finger of your throw hand. From there, you're going to bring the index finger of your free hand back underneath the yo-yo, basically dismounting it, and you're going to bring the index finger of your free hand over, curl it around the string again, and swing the yo-yo up onto the string that's wrapped around that index finger. From there, you basically just keep on continuing the motion. So, breakaway 1.5, curl my finger around, bring my arm over, mount, bring my free hand underneath, dismounting, swing up over on, bring the free hand underneath my throw hand, swing up and over and on, and repeat. Basically, you're just going like this, but if you sort of bring your hands back and forth, and you smooth out that movement, it can give it a very nice effect, where it looks almost like seasick, or like I said before, a metronome. So it's kind of a cool little fun, simple repeater. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Good luck learning it. If you have any requests for tricks that you'd like to learn, please let me know in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss another one of these. And if you like the trick, click the like button. Other than that, thanks for coming and hanging out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.